When learning English, the difference between basic and advanced expressions can truly elevate your communication skills. For instance, instead of saying, "I'm happy," try, "I am filled with joy." It adds depth to your feelings. Similarly, when someone is sad, saying, "She is overcome with sorrow," paints a vivid picture of her emotions. Consider the weather. Instead of saying, "Fa, it's very hot today," you could say, "The weather is scorching today." This not only sounds more sophisticated, but also conveys intensity. When you find yourself confused, instead of simply stating, "I don't understand," express it as, "I'm struggling to comprehend." This shows a deeper level of engagement with the material. And when fatigue sets in, rather than saying, "I'm tired," elevate your expression to, "I am utterly exhausted." This conveys a stronger sense of weariness. By incorporating these advanced phrases into your vocabulary, you unlock a new level of fluency and expressiveness in English.